Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway, my first ever giveaway. So let's get right to the drawing. And the winner is Legend for Life. Legend followed all the rules, he subscribed, he commented, he liked, and that was enough for him to win the drawing. I'll be doing my next giveaway really soon, so stay tuned for that announcement video. And this is a better time than any to tell you guys about my Patreon. Patreon's a crowdfunding website that allows you guys to support creators. YouTube doesn't pay me, and when they do start paying me, if they even start paying me, it's not gonna be good. I do all this out of my own pocket, and I give away all these prizes out of my own pocket. Nobody's sponsoring anything right now. So if you guys want better prizes, like video game consoles, brand new games on release, and things like that, come check out my Patreon. There's 2 different tiers of support you can do. One's for $1 a month. I know if you go to fast food and buy one of the big meals for about 10 bucks, that could have supported me for 10 months. And the more supporters I have, the better the giveaways and the more frequent. My ultimate goal is to give away a brand new console every month and also give away some software every single month. I would love to do that. For each different tier, you get different perks. So come on over to my Patreon website and read about that. It's www.patreon.support. Pretty easy to remember. I also have the link down in the description below. But as always, if you like the video, hit the like button. Go ahead and comment below on what you want next, because I haven't decided what I'm going to be giving away. So give me some suggestions. I'll see if I can afford it and I'll give it away. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.